one of my absolute favorite finds. So, you know when you move into a place and there's like that builder grade lighting that just you've seen in every single apartment. Maybe you're renting, you're like, oh my God, I can't hire an electrician. I can't damage the ceiling. Look, this is the picture of that. You know what I'm talking about. That type. You're like, how do I get rid of this? Look no further. This is a converter kit. So you can leave that on the ceiling, and essentially what you do is you leave the fixture up, no electrician required. You would remove the glass, just like in this video here.
You just take that out.
And you can put this beautiful shade on top with the converter screws that come with it, and it instantly...
That is so clever.
Isn't this amazing? And they also come in look at the end result. I mean, this is like the ultimate, especially if you live in a city.
That particular type of lighting is so flattering.
Well, that's what you want to look for too, especially with ceiling lighting, is something a bit more diffused. And I would switch out that cold LED bulb that's probably in that fixture to something like a daylight or a somewhat warm light. With the diffused shade, you're going to look like $1 million all the time.